Welcome back to Netroman28, your trusted source for technology news, views, and reviews with a touch of humor. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: the rise of AI influencers and how they're changing the social media landscape. I'm your host, and today we'll dive deep into this fascinating subject. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Have you ever scrolled through your Instagram feed and come across an influencer who seems too perfect to be true? Well, chances are, you might have stumbled upon an aiinfluencer. These digital beings, created by advanced algorithms, are taking the social media world by storm. But how are they created and managed? Let's find out. Creating an aiinfluencer is no small feat. It starts with the development of a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes millions of data points, from facial features to personality traits. This algorithm then generates a virtual character, complete with a unique personality and style. These AI influencers are meticulously crafted to appeal to specific target audiences, ensuring maximum engagement and brand partnerships. Speaking of engagement, let's take a look at some real-life examples of AI influencers on Instagram. One of the most well-known AI influencers is Lil Miquela, with her striking appearance and fashion-forward posts. Bermuda, another popular AI influencer, has captivated audiences with her futuristic aesthetics and thought-provoking captions. And let's not forget about Shudu, who has graced the covers of top fashion magazines. These AI influencers have amassed a significant following and collaborated with renowned brands, blurring the lines between reality and virtuality. Now, let's inject some humor into this discussion. Imagine having a personal assistant who never gets tired of posting on social media. That's essentially what an aiinfluencer is: a tireless content creator who can keep your Instagram feed buzzing 24/7. It's like having a virtual Kardashian in your pocket. But don't be fooled, AI influencers are more than just pretty faces. They are changing the dynamics of influencer marketing as we know it. Brands are increasingly turning to AI influencers to promote their products and services, attracted by their reliability, consistency, and ability to target specific demographics. This shift in the influencer landscape has raised questions about authenticity and transparency, as AI influencers blur the line between genuine human connections and digital simulations. Now, let's hear from you, our valued audience. Have you come across AI influencers on your Instagram feed? What do you think about the rise of AI influencers? Do you believe they will eventually replace human influencers? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. As an e-learning services provider, we can't ignore the impact of AI influencers on the learning landscape. AI is revolutionizing education, with personalized learning experiences, real-time feedback, and tailored recommendations. The rise of AI influencers is just one example of how artificial intelligence is shaping our digital world. By embracing technology, we can better understand and navigate this ever-evolving landscape. Before we wrap up, we have a few important calls to action for you. If you haven't already, make sure to click that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, where we share even more content and engage in discussions about the latest technology trends and news. Plus, sharing is caring. If you found this video insightful, be sure to share it with your friends who might be interested in the rise of AI influencers. Well, that's all for today's exploration of AI influencers. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of virtual trendsetters. Stay tuned for more technology news, views, and reviews, always delivered with a touch of humor. This is Netroman28, signing off.